back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, we're doing a beef and potato curry. I'm going to try and make this as easy as I can, kind of a method that's quite quick. Basically, we're going to mix everything in a bowl together, then fry the beef off. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at this then, shall we? So, I've got some beef there at the back. There's no bone in that. A little bit of fat, but I quite like that. Onions. Tomatoes, about the same each. I'm using a medium tomato, medium onion for this amount of meat. Then, garlic ginger paste at the back there. That's a 50-50 mix of garlic ginger paste. There's like 2 teaspoons there. Some lime juice, you could be using lemon juice, touch of oil. I'm using sunflower. Fresh chilies, optionals as to how much you use. Right there we've got 4 powders, as I always call them, the big 4, equal parts, like a teaspoon each. Chili, cumin, coriander, turmeric. And then we've got some whole garam masala right there. Today I'll be using some dried red chili, some green cardamoms, and some cloves. And just over there, we've got some salt. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get this all in a bowl, give it a mix, get it ready. So I've got a mixing bowl here, and as you can see, our meat's in there. What we're gonna do is add some salt to taste. The fresh chilies. The 4 powders, like I say, equal parts, chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. We're even going to put in our whole garam masala now. In they go. So that was some cloves, some cardamom, and some dried chili. We're going to add a little bit of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. That's just going to kind of help it fry a little bit. Tiny touch. Lemon or lime juice. I'm actually using lime. We're now going to put in our garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to get in our onions, cut small. We're going to get in our tomatoes, cut small. We're going to give this a mix. Now, if you can leave this overnight in a refrigerator covered, it's going to be absolutely wonderful. You want to leave it really for about 20 to 30 minutes if you can. I'll give that a mix. There you go, nicely mixed. Let's get moving. So I've got my wok here. You're going to need a pot or something that has a lid. We're going to be using the lid a bit later on. Heat's on. Simply, we're going to put the whole of our mixture in. And on a medium heat, we're going to cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, this is coming along really nicely. It is absolutely nowhere cooked. That meat will be red raw inside. Next step, we're going to add some cold water. As you saw, that was like a mug of cold water. The reason I've added all that water right now is because we want to cook this beef and get it nice and tender. And that liquid's really going to help us. So we're going to get the lid on. We're going to go on a just below a medium heat now, not a simmer, just above. And we want that to go for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring every now and then. If it evaporates, add some more water. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Let's get some steam out there for you. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot of liquid in there. Now I added just a little touch more water, not even like half a cup, not a mug, a cup, a tiny amount of water. The tomatoes that are in there have also helped to kind of make this masala. Now what we need to do really simply is we're going to add our potatoes, but look, I'll just show you, there's our potatoes. But what I've done is with a few of them, I've cut them really small. Let's get those in, because what's going to happen is they'll break down and help us really thicken up the gravy of that. Now what's important is, because I don't know what beef you're using, the quality, make sure that your beef is fairly tender now. This is kind of good, because once we put the potatoes in, we're only going to be about 20 minutes. So let's get our larger ones in. So yeah, just make sure that you are confident that your beef is, you know, pretty much there. Right, now the lid is going to go back on here. We're still on a medium heat. I'm going to go 20 minutes. The first 10 minutes I'm going to have the lid on, then it's going to come off for the last 10 minutes, let it kind of just cook out a little bit. Give it a stir every now and then. And there we go, that's done. Potatoes are where I want them to be, nice and tender. My beef's beautiful. Check that for salt. I'm going to finish this off with quite a lot of cilantro or fresh coriander. Give that a mix in, and that's it. Really simple beef and potato curry. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.